Hello, my name is Muhammad Nazmil Iqmal bin Muhammad Ghazali, taking VIB. Regarding final project logistic management, BLG20203, our group chose Filigree Industrial Service as our company name. Introduction. As for the introduction, the Chief Executive Officer of the company, CEO, is me, and the Human Resource Manager and Operational Manager is Zur Sazlin. And as for the Financial Manager is Ike Nurul Balkis. As for the Marketing Manager is Ellison. So the name of our company is basically Filigree Industrial Service. Executive summary. So basically, our business is based on the machine relocation. So besides that, our company is also provide transportation, which FIS provide full service from one building to the next within city or overseas with worldwide custom clearance. Besides that, our company will make sure that our customer expectations are met and are treated with satisfaction. As for the investor and stockholders, will gain business success benefit as those rewards come in a form of increased stock valuation or financial profits distribute as dividends, which they do essentially on the company.
Thank you, previous presenter. My name is Alisana Manachi, and I will be presenting you the company's overview. So, Masmil Iqmal bin Muhammad Ghazali is the CEO of Filigree Industrial Service. He also created the company's business strategy. So, Filigree Industrial Service primarily focus on decommissioning, dismantling, cleaning, moving out or moving in, packing, transporting, uploading, and unpacking, positioning, and reassembling the machine. So basically, we are a relocation industry company. So for our vision and mission, our mission is to focus on safety. Environmental and occupational safety is organized systematically at Filigree Industrial Service. So for example, Filigree Industrial Service not only ensures our outstanding quality, but also the safety of all processes with regular training and process compliance check. So for our vision, our goal is to be speedy and connected. Because time is money, we strive to be the industry's quickest and most effective response time. We cherish our customers and their equipment, so which is why we understand their needs and the importance of maintaining their equipment. So for market and services, we basically take care of your industrial machinery issues. As previously said, we provide a wide range of service, which include machine transportation, packing, project management, warehousing, and many more. Here are some of the further details about our marketing and services. So we provide 6 market and services, which are machinery relocation, packing, transportation, maintenance, project management, and also field service. So for our operational structures, as obviously, our Chief Executive Officer is Muhammad Masmil Iqmal bin Muhammad Ghazali. For our human resources is Ms. Zushalin. And for our financial manager is DK Nurul Balkis. And me, Alison Amandachi, I am your marketing manager.
Business description. So basically, they are divided into 4 parts, which is opportunity, product overview, key participants, and pricing. So as for the opportunity, our company will move out, transport, unload, and unpack the machinery. So basically, it is about machine. Machine relocation is one of the component in the logistics industry. So based on the product overview, so it is including AC slash DC install and assemble toolbox, solar and inverter install toolbox, mechanical install and assemble toolbox, precise installation equipment. Okay. As for the key participants, customer, employees, investor, and shareholders, and local communities. As for the pricing, so the pricing is depends on the size of the machines and the number of machine and equipment. Besides that, the pricing is uh, referring to use for the use of a forklift for heavy machinery and use of cranes if required.
So for our market analysis, our firm is classified as part of the machine relocation industry, where it is a massive logistical undertaking, industrial relocation. So for the market segment demographic, we aim our target customers by choosing big income companies where there are a large sum of machinery involved, whereas geographical, our company aims to spread our location throughout Southeast Asia and also Europe. So for our competition, we have 2 competitions, which are Task Technique in Engineering Sdn Berhad and also Erogo. Task Technique Engineering Sdn Berhad is a KL-based company, and Erogo is an international company. So our key competitive advantage is focus on fast and effective service. For our target market is to the general, where in Malaysia and also globally. So for our market strategy, we are capable of various types of service required in the supply chain. For our product and service, we provide many product services. So for the pricing, we are most affordable compared to our other competitors, which is a range of 5K to 500K Malaysian ringgit. So how we distribute our channels is by B2B, B2C, C2B, and also C2C. So for our SWOT analysis, there are strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. For our strength, we are cost advantage. We have enough supply chain and another strong reputation on domestic industry. For our weaknesses, we have high debt burden because we are involved with a machinery and also financial risks. And lastly, the lack of scale. So for our opportunity in this business is new service, new technology, and also online marketing. For the threats in our business are bad economy, stiff competition, and also not forgetting rising fuel prices.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Dorshazlin and I will be presenting our operational plan for Filigree Industrial Service. So for the first one, order fulfillment, there is 5 steps in order for us to fulfill our order towards our client. So for the first one is receiving and inbound. The second one is storage of inventory. Third one is picking. The fourth one is packing. and the fifth one is shipping. So for payment, FIS uses freight payment method. So for freight payment method, there's six process for it. So for the first one is invoice receipt. The second one is invoice validation. The third one is data capture. The fourth one is rate and service audit. The fifth one is cost accounting, and the sixth one is the payment to us from our client. Next. Okay, for the technology that we uses for our company are, the first one is Internet of Things, and the second one is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So the technology used in FIS are industrial robotic arm, conveyors, forklifts, pallet shuttle, stacker cranes, trilateral stacker cranes, ATLS, which is automatic truck loading system, counterbalance forklift, and more. So for our key customers, we aim for consumer logistics. So refers to consumer participation in the movement and handling of goods from the point of acquisition to the point of consumption or final disposal. So CL stems from the premise that the performance of logistic activities by consumers closely resembles the performance of logistic activities by businesses and from the observation. Next. Okay, for our key employee and organization, the first one is transportation. We have transportation managers, we have supply chain planners, we have warehouse workers. So the image that I showed in the slide is our management plan for our organization, and then the other one is facilities. So for the first one is on the loading and unloading at the docks. We uses pallet jacks and stackers. We use counterbalance forklift and ATLS. And then the second one is on dispositing and extracting unit loads part department. We use forklifts, stacker cranes, and trilateral stacker cranes, and pallet shuttle. And the third one is on transporting goods, forklifts. We use forklifts, conveyors, electrified monorails, pallet lifts, bridge crane, and AGVs, which is automatic guided vehicles. And the fourth one is on picking. We use order picker, conveyors, and industrial robotic arms. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna pass to other presenter.
Mas Mil mute.
Okay, sorry. Okay. As for the marketing and sales plan, our marketing activity is divided into two parts, which is social media and website. So our company will use social media to advertise our company, and our company will create a website which the content in the website is our latest updates, our daily updates, services offered, our contact number, operation hours, our appointment, and a small section for people to share their feedback for our company. Okay, sales strategy. So according to the sales strategy, the strategy is to define a formal sales process which is important terms in logistics. So as for the formal sales process, it is divided into 5 parts, which is the first one is lead generation. lead scoring and qualification, assessment of needs, proposal, and closing or delivery. So I will brief more about the lead generation, which an efficient marketing machine is key to lead generation, but it is called as outbound sales strategy, such as cold calling of qualified leads and attendance at the industry events or trade show. So as for lead scoring and qualification, this test is essential because it is to separating the strong opportunity. As for the assessment of needs, this is also the time to offer the lead cell collateral specific to the services to educate people on our offerings. So as for proposal, proposal is more to take question and negotiate the terms if necessary. As for closing or delivery, which our company will make sure we are able to deliver our logistic services exactly as negotiated. So I will pass to the next presenter.
And everyone, so I will continue from my friend's part. I'm Diken Robalkis for the next presenter. So I'll present the financial plan. So our source of fund for our company that Filigree Industrial Service, key resource for operation startup money. The government will contribute in 3 billion as startup capital, and we will do a loan from bank with 6 million. So for uses of the capital is the fund will be utilized to cover startup costs and asset necessary to launch Filigree Industrial Service. So here our financial plan for startup. So is the account. So next one is the financial statement depend on important assumptions. So the key underlying assumption are as follows. So our general assumption is this business of Filigree Industrial Service will continue grow for the next 5 years. So for the financial statement assumption, so income statement, and this business plans application service estimate are based on the information offered in the industry analysis section. So every month service are expected to rise by 10%. So for the challenge, the challenge for our company, for this company logistic is they have operational restriction for delivery delays, congestion, and increased freight charge and weaker demand in particular industry have harmed logistic firm. It start from COVID-19 has resulted in a 20% increase in freight travel inside cities in Asian country by 2020. So the challenge that we had is, first is transportation concern. Second one is intensity ratio of high order. And then a lowering transportation expenses, transportation stumbling obstacles. And next one is deliver in scarce supply. And then the issue in the port industry. And then the increasing visibility of the supply chain. And then the problem with tax structure and the warehousing. Next one is economic influence, where because of the pandemic, the economy of our country is not in a stable. And then the 10th one is a scarcity of competent and specialist people, where we don't have a skill person where that so limited to have specialist people with skill that they have had it. So the last one is introducing a new technology where with the modern with the AI. So it's so costing to us, and then it's too limit and uh, so problematic to get the technology because it need to do a research and what we need and what our industry need of that technology. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. As for the conclusion, the primary goal of Filigree Industrial Service (FIS) is to provide better customer service. FIS aims to eliminate processing errors by establishing a streamlined process flow because quality processes and quick service would ensure customers are happy with these measures, increase sales from the usage of logistics service by the existing client and new potential client in using FIS. That's it from us. Thank you.